Now this is an overused title. 3 books this, 5 books that, 9 books that changed my life, and so on. My question to you is, how much of these reels have you seen that you have saved and watched? And how many of these YouTube videos have you watched and actually completed those books? Let me take a wild guess. Maybe 0 or 1 or 2. So in this video, I'll recommend you 3 books that I have recommended to all my clients who have paid me 1 lakh and up, and why reading self-development books will actually not make you rich. Also, by the end of this video, you will exactly know why you lack motivation in life to build something really big.
Three books everyone needs to read. If you haven't read this, according to me, you are yet to be evolved. Think and Grow Rich, Almanac of Naval Ravikant, and Psycho-Cybernetics. Always remember that books come in 3 categories: concept, skill, self-development. Concept, skill, self-development. Reading lot of books does not mean you are very intelligent, does not mean you will become a big businessman. It depends on which books are you reading. First are concept books, which simply means that you are trying to learn a concept like marketing, negotiation, sales, some concept. Skills is you are trying to develop a skill, piano, guitar, any particular skill you are trying to develop, strategy. Think and Grow Rich, Almanac of Naval Ravikant, Psycho-Cybernetics. Psychocyber-netics. So first is concept books where you learn a concept, then second is skill, you're trying to learn a skill, third is self-development. How many of you read self-development books by raise of hands? बंद कर दो. It's a dopamine hit, nothing else. क्योंकि टोनी रॉबिन्स तुम्हें जो अपनी किताब में कह रहा है तुम कर लोगे, ये तुम्हें भी पता है, पर उससे कुछ होगा नहीं. ठीक है? Self-development books would not make you sharper or smarter. They will just give you temporary motivation. I prefer watch a video or read an autobiography instead of that. That would give you a longer term inspiration because you would see what others have gone through. One thing you can read is biographies and autobiographies because there you see that the struggles you face is nothing compared to what they have struggled. Where you get an inspiration which is a little long term because you understand, oh, this guy has gone through a lot than compared to me. And that's where, you start worrying less about the problems you're having and start worrying more about the dreams you have. Because you can see others have gone through bigger problems than you. And problem that you have right now is nothing. I'll just give you an idea on this. The reason I'm so obsessed with marketing and I'm still so obsessed about it is because I read, I don't know which, I think Scientific Advertising, I read a book somewhere. उसमें एक चीज कही थी and I was like mind blown. Today we sell information products, e-books, courses, yes. 100 years from now, these information products were still sold. But you know how were they sold? There was no internet. There was no landing page. There was nothing like this. So here's how the value ladder looked like. I would get fax number of random people of an area. So this is an area, let's say, 200 people live in this. I will get their fax numbers. Fax machine होती थी. फैक्स मशीन में यू हैव देयर फैक्स नंबर, यू पुट दैट नंबर, यू प्रेस एंटर, उनके घर पे एक फैक्स आ जाएगा, एक प्रिंट आउट आ जाएगा. ओके, आई एम अ मार्केटर, आई विल राइट हाउ टू गेट रिच, राइट अ हेडलाइन, राइट अ होल पेज, पुट ऑल द फैक्स नंबर्स एक साथ, प्रेस एंटर. रैंडम लोगों के घर पे, नो टारगेटिंग डन, रैंडम लोगों के घर पे फैक्स निकल गया है और वो पहली हेडलाइन में थे हाउ टू गेट रिच. नाउ दे आर स्टक. सो द कॉपीराइटर इज ऑन दैट लेवल दैट दे आर स्टक while doing anything in their house and now reading it. Now they read the whole thing and end में होता है, pay me $5 and I'll send this material or CD or something at your hand. CDs तो late आया, first it was books. I'll send this book which will teach you XYZ. $5 send me. How do you send $5? PayPal? No. You take that paper, there's an address over there. You put it into an envelope, you staple $5, you put in your post box. I as a marketer get the $5. See the address in that. Courier the new thing, package it, put in my post box, goes to your home, now you start reading it. Then you start completing the book. At the end of the book, I pitch you my $500 program, which is the offline seminar. Right? Now you again staple $500, You get convinced, you staple that, you put in a post box, you send it to me, I get $500. I send you the invitation to the seminar, kahan pe wo ho raha hai. You come into my seminar and then I pitch you my next product. That's how it used to happen. And they used to make $5 million a month with this. 40 करोड़ रुपए ये करके वो बनाते थे. And I have this and I still can't make that much. Shame on me. Technically, I have all the resources in the world technically to make any amount of money I can, with the knowledge as well. And you are not able to stick 2 landing pages together and complaining about life. That what inspires me. If these guys can do that kind of work and build that big of empires, मेरे पास तो सब रेडी है भाई, मतलब टेम्पलेट्स हैं, तो कॉपी पेस्ट खुद बना सकता हूँ. Then why I'm waiting so? Does that make sense? Right now you do webinars. मैं अपनी शक्ल नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ. You know how they used to do webinars? There was a telephone number that the person used to dial at the exact time. It is called as teleseminars, not webinars. So Dan Lok used to do this. उसकी कोई किताब में पढ़ रहा था, शायद Fuck You Money कोई किताब उसमें पढ़ रहा था. He will pick up the phone. उधर से कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Hello, I am there. कोई आवाज नहीं आएगी. इसने फोन उठाया और ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है कि लोग बैठे. हो सकता है कोई ना बैठा हो. उसने जैसे रिंग उठाई, you need to dial this number that he is on, and hundreds of people are dialing that number at that same exact time, 5 p.m., 4 p.m., whatever it is. If you forget it, there's no reminders. So you need to be so convincing that he convinced you on just one sheet of paper कि 4 p.m. याद रखो उस टाइम पे पहुंच. At 4 p.m. you dial at your home sitting on a sofa that number and you stick on it and wait, Dan Lok will come. And अचानक से Dan Lok will come and Dan Lok can be like, hello, आवाज आ रही है? कुछ yes first नहीं आ रहा है वहां से. He just starts, rants for 3 hours and convinces people to pay him $500. He do not know the people are. He do not know even the name. He do not know are they even listening to him. He is just ranting in a hope कि कोई तो भेजेगा, कि कोई बैठा है उस साइड. 3 hours straight for every week. तुम्हारे जूम में 6 लोग होते, सिर्फ 6 ही आए. अबे दिख तो रहे. उसको तो पता भी नहीं है. And he's just ranting 3-4 hours straight. And then पैसा एकदम से आएगा? नहीं, पोस्ट बॉक्स से आने वाला है, तो उसको पता भी नहीं पैसा आया कि नहीं. कन्वर्जन क्या हुआ भगवान जाने. फोन रख दिया, अभी क्या हुआ पता नहीं. 4 दिन बाद अचानक से $5 आए. ओ सेल हो गई थी क्या? That's when you know sale has come. And they kept on doing it for 4 years straight. And you quit in 6 months. मेरा टेम्पलेट नहीं चल रहा. Your testosterone levels are really low. Like you don't have that inside you. जिस दिन होगा उस दिन पैसे अपने आप बन जाएंगे. बच्चा लोगो तुम के सामने. अभी सोचो वो टाइप का इंसान, उसको ये दे दूं मैं कि भाई ये लैंडिंग पेज बनता है, इससे ट्रैफिक आता है, ट्रैफिक टारगेटेड होता है, लोग पे करते हैं और क्लिक होते, पेमेंट आ जाता है और 1-to-1 कॉल ऑटोमेटिकली बुक होते हैं. वो पागल हो जाए देख के. अगर डैन लॉक का वाला वर्जन यहाँ बैठा हो, उसका दिमाग खराब हो जाए, ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग. और उसमें भी एक उठ के बोलेगा मैं तो 20,000 रुपये महीने कमा रहा हूं. इमेजिन. सेमिनार्स वाला तो मैंने भी देखा, जब तक 2019-18 तक जब बड़े बड़े सेमिनार्स होते थे वो तो मैंने भी देखा है. इमेजिन टोनी रॉबिन्स in his starting career, like you guys. He has no Facebook ads, he has no calling team, he has nothing, and he's doing a seminar. What he does, what is his marketing? उसकी बुक पढ़ो, उसमें बताएगा. He will pay $2,000, यानी कि 1.5-2 लाख रुपए for a billboard. He will put a billboard and book a hotel and pay extra money for that. Now he does not know if 100 are coming or 0 are coming. So seats are random because he does not know how many are coming, and he just puts a billboard expecting and hoping someone would show up. There's no QR code, no registration, no form, nothing. He is just expecting किसने देख के याद रख लिया होगा तो आ जाएगा. And with that he's getting 2,000 people in a room. Imagine the amount of risk he needs to take and the amount of risk you are taking. You are taking a risk of $20. System ट्राई हो. He is taking 4,000 on one event. और तुम $20 लगेंगे क्या? अरे बाप रे बाप. 200 रुपए एड्स में? ओ हो. Too expensive. and then you want to build a business out of that. Good luck. So read autobiographies. They will make you much more smart and you will understand तुम्हारा struggle कुछ भी नहीं है. तुम्हारे हाथ में सब दे दिया गया, उसके बाद तुम रोते रहते हो. Real struggle they have gone through because उसमें मार्केटिंग टेस्ट हो रही है. तुम्हें तो मार्केटिंग टेस्ट ही नहीं होती. टेम्पलेट है, उसमें भी तुमसे वो काम नहीं हो रहा. हेडलाइन का टेम्पलेट दिया है, ऐसे लिखनी है, वो भी नहीं हो रही. उनको कोई टेम्पलेट तो ना मिला हुआ है. They need to do it on their own. They need to learn the whole skill from scratch and then do it. And you've got everything in your hands, still you can't build it. That just shows ethics, work ethics, nothing else. काम करने की शिष्टा समझ में आती है और कुछ नहीं. वो एक आदमी 200 को खा जाए and they make money like that. All of us combined multiply by 10.
So order those 3 books that I have told you. The link would also be in the description. And also start reading some autobiographies and biographies because they will inspire you from within and not just make you motivated for some time. Some of the autobiographies and biographies I recommend are Sam Walton, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk that you can start with, but there are much more that are advanced than this, lengthy than this, and are really, really good. So that was it. Let me know in the comments what was the best part in this video and what topics you want me to cover more in the upcoming videos. Put your problems in the comments, put your topics in the comments, put your ideas in the comments. Anything can inspire me to make more videos like this, and your comment section is where I dwell into, where I find ideas from. So I want you to comment more and more. Also, I saw a staggering stat that 75% of you are non-subscribers. That means you are watching the videos but not subscribing, which is very bad. You should actually subscribe and watch the videos and also press the notification bell so that you get the notification to watch the videos first. And also share this with a friend who you might think this video would help, and I'll see you in the next one.